Tire chains are a critical safety tool for approaching severe winter conditions, enabling traction where standard tires fail. The best options strike a balance between quick installation, reliable tightening, durability, and compatibility with your vehicle and tire sizes. This comparison examines 5 tire chain kits, spanning budget to premium.
List number 1. The SCC Peerless 0232605 is a vehicle-specific light truck SUV tire traction chain, featuring worry-free self-tightening ratchets that automatically tighten and center the chain during installation. With a diamond cross-chain pattern, it promises a smoother ride and superior traction, and it carries a 30 mph speed cap as a safety limit. The 265mm wheel size notation indicates a modestly sized chain set designed for mid-sized light trucks or SUVs, with a robust alloy steel construction and machined exterior finish for durability. Performance-wise, the self-tightening ratchets reduce the guesswork and retightening typically required after moving the vehicle during installation, which can save time and reduce the chance of improper fit. Users should note fitment nuances. Chains should be fitted to the tire prior to actual use, and compatibility can be affected by tire age, manufacturer, and tread type. With a 14.4 pound per set weight and a compact 12 by 11.7 by 3.6 inch package footprint, these are manageable for storage in most vehicle trunks or cargo areas. In real-world use, the self-centering mechanism shines when mounting on uneven ground, and the diamond pattern provides consistent contact with snow and ice for controlled acceleration and braking.
List number 2. SCC 0232805 AutoTrack Light Truck SUV Tire Traction Chain Set of 2. The 0232805 is a premium sibling in the SCC AutoTrack lineup, with the same self-tightening ratchet concept and a heavier build intended for light trucks and SUVs. It specifies a larger wheel size, 285mm, and ships as a set of 2 chains. The product emphasizes ease of installation and removal, along with a 30-mile-per-hour maximum speed and a diamond pattern cross-chain for smoother traction on snow and ice. Deeper analysis shows this variant targets owners with slightly larger tires or deeper snow scenarios, providing robust engagement through its machined alloy steel construction and a marginally heavier weight, 15.56 pounds. Which can aid in stability under load. While the installation remains straightforward thanks to the AutoTrack mechanism, users should still practice fitting before actual use. The kit's higher price point reflects its broader compatibility and reinforced build, appealing to buyers who prioritize long-term durability and predictable performance in demanding winter conditions.
List number 3. Snow Chains Auto Fixing 1-Minute Quick Fit Easy Installation. UVB's Snow Chains HKN 140 emphasizes universal fit and rapid 1-minute installation with an auto-fixing device that reduces the need for manual tightening. The manganese steel alloy construction is positioned for resilience across snow, mud, sand, and ice, and the kit includes gloves, replacement buckles, and a storage box for portability. It's marketed as a universal solution suitable for a wide array of passenger cars, pickups, and SUVs, with a broad tire size compatibility list spanning common 15 to 22-inch diameters. Performance-wise, the auto-fixing mechanism aims to eliminate retightening after the car has moved, a feature that can significantly simplify emergency use. The universal fit approach is beneficial for multi-vehicle households or renters, but may sacrifice some compatibility precision versus vehicle-specific chains. In terms of practicality, the inclusion of gloves and replacement buckles reduces setup friction and maintenance headaches after a season of use. The trade-off is that universal fit chains can occasionally require more careful sizing to ensure precise contact with the tire surface, particularly on atypical tire profiles.
List number 4. Snow tire chains for car, SUV pickup trucks. FlySwan offers a budget-friendly universal steel tire chain intended to fit a wide range of passenger vehicles, SUVs, and pickup trucks. The design emphasizes ease of installation with a tie-down strap and a straightforward mounting process, while cautioning users to closely match tire width and keep speeds under 40 kilometers an hour. The material is listed as manganese steel, with a relatively lightweight 15.07 pounds per set and a focus on practicality and mass-market accessibility. In practice, this option targets budget-conscious buyers who need immediate winter traction without investing in specialized, vehicle-specific chains. The lack of explicit self-tightening features means retightening after wheel movement may be necessary, and the universal sizing means it may not be perfectly optimized for any single tire. The product's strength lies in portability and broad compatibility, making it a reasonable backup kit for seasonal use, but it may underperform against more precise, size-tailored chains in harsh conditions or on larger diameter tires.
List number 5. SCC Peerless 0232105 AutoTrack Light Truck SUV Tire Traction Chain. 2 counts, pack of 1. This SCC 0232105 set resembles the 0232605 family with a 275mm wheel size and a 2-chain pack. It retains the self-tightening ratchet system and the diamond-patterned cross-chain for improved traction and a smoother ride. The packaging indicates a slightly different model number and the same focus on easy installation, minimal retightening, and a 30-mile-per-hour speed limit, making it a flexible option within the SCC lineup for corresponding tire dimensions. From a user experience standpoint, the 0232105 offers predictability in fit for light trucks and SUVs, with a weight of 13.9 pounds and compact dimensions that fit into standard storage spaces. The 275mm sizing accommodates a wider range of tires than the 265mm variant, which can be a practical benefit for owners of larger SUVs or lighter trucks. However, as with other vehicle-specific SCC chains, fit and performance still depend on tire age and tread condition, and users should test fit before critical trips to ensure the self-tightening mechanism engages correctly on their tires.